Hello children. In India, we all are following Indian system of numerations. But across the world, there are commonly using international system of numeration. So what is this international system of numerations? We are going to study today. So as we all know, 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. What is the greatest 5-digit number? So greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. So when you add 1 to this number, you will get a new number called this number. This is called we call this as a 100,000. So in commonly 100,000 we will tell. So this 100,000, it comes in the international system of numeration, but this place in Indian place value system we'll call it as the 1 lakh. So take for example, consider one example, 924678. So this number we are write in the, or with these numbers we are filling in the, or this number is grouped into many, that is places and periods. So what are the periods here? See here, it is periods and places. So here periods are ones and next one is thousands. In ones period the places is ones, tens and hundreds. So like this, these are the period. Then here it is 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Like this, in international system of numerations, there will be the periods and places. So take this example: 8 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place, 4 in thousands place, 2 in 10,000s place, 9 in hundreds place. So like that, 9 in 100,000s place, 2 in 10,000s place, 4 in thousands place, 6 in hundreds place, 7 in tens place and 8 in ones places. So like this. So after this is called an international system of numeration. So the place value of each digit is the number we get multiply by the place into its place. So what is the place value of this 9? The place value of this 9 is 9 into 100,000. It is 900,000. Next, what is the place of the digit? The digit 2 digit is 2 into 10,000. It is 20,000. What is that? The place value of this digit 4 into 1,000. This is 4,000. And what is the place value of this 6? It is 100. So 6 into 100, that is 600. Then what is the place value of this 7? 7 in tens place. So it is 70. What is the place value of this 8? Is 8 at ones place. So it is 8. Like that, the place values of the place values of this respective digits we are going to find by using the places. So first one place is 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. So lakh will not come in the international system of numeration. You just remember, hundreds lakh will not come. It comes in only 100,000. Then how to convert or how to put the inside the commas and how to read the number names for these examples. How to read the number names? So there is called one concept is place value chart. What is the place value chart? The place value chart of this again same. It is periods and places. What are the periods here? Periods are thousands and ones. So in the ones, which are the places are the ones, tens and hundreds. Here 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 like this. So take one example here. Take for example, one example we will take here. So it is 2, 3, 1, 5, 7, 6. So 2 in 100,000, 3 in 10,000, 1 in 1,000, 5 in hundreds, 6, 7 in tens and 6 in ones. So this can be written separately into periods. So I will go to periods. It is 2, 3 ones, comma and 654. So this 654 comes in the ones period and this 231 comes in the thousands periods. So how to write the number name now? How to write the number name or how to read this number? We'll see first. It is 231,654. Remember carefully. It is 231,654. How to write the number name now? 231,654 like this. Again one more number, 727,508. How to read this number? 27,508 So it is, read the number name 727,508. So sometimes they will give the write the numeral for. So write the numeral for. How to write the numeral now? So take for example 267,100,000 108. So 267,108. How to write the numeral for? It is 267,108. Right, like this. Write the numeral for the given statement means 267,108. Like this you will write the numeral number. So how to write the place value of the each digit? Take one example, 434,256. What is the place place value of this digit, the place value of this digit is 6. What is the place value of this? This has the tens place, so it is, or you can write 6 on the 6. So 5 into 10, it is 50. Then what about this? 2 in the hundreds place, 2 into 100, it is 200. Then 4 at thousands place, 4 into 1000, it is, the place value of this digit is 4000. Then the place value of this 3 is 10,000s place it is. So it is 30,000. Then the place value of this 4, it is 100,000s place. So it is 400,000s. Like this, you can find the place value of each digit. You can find or write in the place value chart. Like this, you just complete the let us practice 1.6 today as a homework. Thank you.